Right. So yeah. So this they're saying different things. So this one is saying I have a cat and it is orange. Okay, and there's an orange color. This is saying I have the red bulb because I asked who has the red bulb. Okay, so I might say like ke ege a will an bosk. Okay, ke ege a will an ov gown. So who has the brown egg? Ke ege a will an ov gown. So who has? Oh, you say okay. Now, so the answer I'm asking is who has it. So you have to say tashi, or tashi agamsa. I have it, okay. Or I have her. Meaning the egg. Tashi agamsa. I have her.
Can you write down? Not that part. The question.
Question. Okay.
Who has?
So ke again. So ke ege a will is who has, and those four words together come together. Who at him is the egg brown, and then you could say tashi agamsa.
I have it.
Yeah, I have it. Exclamation mark. Tashi agamsa. I have it. Okay. Okay. All right. Tashi agamsa. It's probably about time to cut off here anyway. So, okay, I'm gonna collect the cards and then maybe we'll play fish or bingo or something with it later. So go to my